We have designers working constantly to create these beautiful pre-made niche video templates for you to use to maximize your profit potential. With VidSnatcher, this is a limited time offer, so you must act today. We're talking over $500 worth of professional local video templates every single month, giving you an extra 120 total new templates over a 1-year period. At a low one-time cost, 10 new local video templates added monthly for 1 full year. Increase the number of potential clients to sell video services to. New templates will be driven by your suggestions. $1,000 seconds in total value at a very low one-time fee. Full commercial rights to resell the videos you create. VidSnatcher features complete blank canvas editor for full flexibility, unlimited personal video creation, advanced text-to-speech engine with built-in translation, screen record and voice record, easy-to-use drag-and-drop editing timeline, add unlimited layers for the most complex videos, jam-packed with must-have video editing features, built-in text-to-speech engine with language translator, cloud-based for maximum compatibility on all operating systems. Create and sell your videos for 100% profit, commercial license included. Unlimited projects at a low one-time fee. Import videos, audio, and images, dozens of pre-made icons, shapes, and transitions to use. Add text, customize and translate to virtually any language. Select custom canvas sizes, remove green screen with just a few clicks, easily add subtitles. VidSnatcher is a cutting-edge video editor that every video marketer will want to get their hands on. Screen capture, drag-and-drop timeline editor, icon and shapes library, text-to-speech engine, voice recorder, powerful editing. The value you're getting is unmatched. Similar video editing software can go for $100 seconds of dollars for each version of the software. Not with VidSnatcher. For a very limited time you'll pay a low one-time fee with ongoing updates included. There will be no new versions you have to purchase, no updating, no more money spent to have the latest version of VidSnatcher. The opportunity VidSnatcher presents in the e-learning space, as well as the overall video editing space, is enormous. Just creating one training video that makes one sale could recoup your entire investment instantly. Frequently asked questions. How is VidSnatcher different from other video apps? There are many video creation and editing software out there, but VidSnatcher is different for a few key reasons. First is your ability to easily create online training courses in over 60+ different languages, giving you the opportunity to tap into the multi-billion-dollar multilingual market. Next, VidSnatcher is affordable and it is feature-rich. Other tools often charge monthly fees and don't come close to what we're offering for a small one-time investment. Will this work on Mac and PC? Your operating system does not matter. VidSnatcher is a cloud-based software. It runs inside your internet browser, so you can access it on any computer with an internet connection. It works seamlessly with both Mac and PC computers.